morning. I'm coming to you from the Gold Gym here in Austin. Relaxing just a bit here in the jacuzzi. I was inside the steam room earlier. Oh my god, I was burning up. But heck, you know what? It helps. It helps. You all should know what this is. The Insta360 Go-To. This is in 32 gigabytes. It works awesome underwater. I mean, it is awesome underwater. I like it a lot because it's very small. It's small and it has the same capability as the GoPro Hero 10. Same stuff. And it's small. You know, and although I'm in the jacuzzi and the water is extremely hot, I can still put it on the water. It has no effect. It doubles the camera. Insta360 came out with a good camera. I'm not very thrilled about the new camera that came out with them. The Insta360 RS with a 1-inch dual 360. It's just, I'm not sure. It's not waterproof. It's extremely expensive. I mean, if you want 360, just settle for Insta360 One X2. We're running about $429 to $469 to about $500. Maybe even $550 with some accessories. But not that new. Not that new one. That new one isn't even waterproof. And the only thing I can say about that is that I haven't seen any actual novice users, and I'm talking about because when they advertise that camera, yes, it looks beautiful on the television, or even on the iPad, or whatever mechanism you're using to look at those things, a computer or a television. In my case, I have an 8K QLED 70-inch television, so it looks beautiful in those things. But is it really that camera or not? Because I haven't seen a user from Insta360, and the Joe Blow anyone, and I'm not talking about an employee or an administrator. I'm talking about just an ordinary Joe Blow. Buy the camera, take it out, and use it in the outside air. Use it to show us that it's got the same quality picture as the one that came out on television to advertise the camera. I want to see that same quality come out. I assure you that it will look just like the Insta360. Nothing will change on it. YouTube will not allow it to become a 6K or even a 7K video. It's always going to be 4K. Always. Just like this. This one is 440. It's not even, it's pretty close to what we would call, 3K or maybe 2K or 2.5. But my software, my Final Cut Pro on my Apple laptop is able to cut it down and refine it better. So when I show my video on YouTube, YouTube recognizes it as 4K video. And this is coming out of these little small cameras. So just imagine this little small camera does on 4K video. It's not even made for 4K, but it picks it up at 4K. It recognizes it. YouTube recognizes it as 4K. If you've seen my videos, it looks crystal clear. They came out of these little cameras, you know, and nothing very fancy like a GoPro Hero 10 or a 9. Although I have the GoPro Hero 10, which is the one I'm talking on right now. This is the GoPro Hero 10 that I'm talking on right now. But this is my take as far as my opinion on that new camera that's coming out now. I may be wrong. Maybe it does come out crystal clear as like the way it comes out originally on the commercials. But I seriously doubt it. And time will see. Somebody had already bought it, and I've seen the forums. I've seen people saying, "Oh, I just got my camera and blah blah blah, and I'm gonna go try it out." But I haven't seen anything on YouTube from someone that is not a blogger or is not directly connected to Insta360 to say, "Well, this is my RS 1-inch 360. I want to see if it really works, if it's compatible, or if it really works exactly the way it shows it on the television when they advertise the camera." So I may be wrong. Maybe it is a good camera, but still, $799 is not something that you just want to fork over. I mean, I have an Amazon account. I could buy the camera tomorrow and give payments of $66, $70 a month with no interest for a whole year. But that's not the point. First of all, I wouldn't buy it because it's not waterproof. And look at me. I'm a water-related person. Most of my videos have got to do something with water unless I'm out in the farm. But look, the majority of the time, I'm in the water and I'm making videos about water-related things. So, anyways, that is my take. You all have a good day. Today's Thursday, July the 7th. It's 7:23 in the morning. I'm going to continue to relax a little while here. And the weekend is approaching, so you all be very careful. There's still COVID out there. You all take care. And God bless everyone.